Yàgò fẹ́jò tá ò bẹ́ lórí. Ikú tó bá lè pa ni. Ajínà sí ni o. Most of you laugh at dangerous things as if it does not hurt or as if it is not scary. There are some things you should caution yourself from. There are some things you should run away from. Obviously, you know that bad friends are not good. And you obviously know that smoking is dangerous to health. But you laugh at it as if it is not going to hurt you. Really, let's call a spade a spade. What is not good is not good. When you see danger, run. Bad friends, run. Bad influence, run. Cigarettes or bad things in the society, run. Because they are snakes with heads. They can hurt you at any time. Ire o.